In this video, we'll talk about the easiest binary option strategy to get results like this. Now, you need to firstly clearly understand that a purpose of the strategy should be to give you positive results. No matter whichever indicator you use or whatever theory you use, your theory, your indicator or whatever you are using as a strategy should be able to give you results like this, and exactly that I am going to show you in this video. So watch this video very carefully and don't forget to hit that like button below this video. So technically today we are not going to talk about some indicator on how to trade or some theory like how you should trade to get results like this, but instead we are going to talk about a special feature that is especially inside this platform, that is Pocket Option, which is a binary options trading platform, and its feature is called social trading. But before showing you about this social trading, I want to explain you some of my result. As you can see here, we are making consistently profit for, here you can see, past 3-4 days. And let me show you more clearly at here. Today we have made 3 trades and 100% trades were profitable and $504 was profit. And if you notice, my max trade and minimum trade is same. That means I only make $200 per trade each time. Okay, so that means so let's see in another yesterday. So here you can see, here you have seen 6 trades, but actually yesterday I have made 3 trades, and day before yesterday I have made 3 trades, but it is showing 6 trades at here because due to some time difference, I guess. So I have not made 6 trades yesterday, just 3 trades, and 100% trades were profitable for yesterday and day before yesterday also, and total profit was $1,026. And if I show you in all time, then we have made like $20,472 in net profit, all by trading binary options in this platform that is called Pocket Option. So now, what is the best strategy? Let me show you this. So as you can see, this is the feature called social trading. Now you can call it copy trading also. So literally, there are people who copies my trade automatically into their account. Now they don't copy $200 per trade directly in their account. Okay, if they want to copy $2 per trade, they can copy it. If they want to copy $100 per trade, they can do that. If they want to just copy $40 per trade, they can do that also. You just need to set up some percentage while doing copying, and everything is fine. Whenever I make $200 per trade in your account inside Pocket Option, the same trade in that same currency pair will be executed automatically. You don't need to trade by yourself, or you don't need to open your account like this, okay, in the screen. You don't need to do that. You just need to do some simple setup, and that setup I'm going to show you in this video. And that's why I'm calling it a easiest strategy, because you just need to do one time setup and trades will be automatically copied to your account whenever I make trade. So to do that, you firstly need to click the link that is in the description of this YouTube video and join my free Telegram channel, and there are some instructions which you need to follow in order to get my UID, which will later be used to copy my trade automatically inside this platform. You don't need any additional software. Okay, you just can directly copy with this social trading feature. So once you follow the instructions in my free Telegram channel, then you will get my UID, and by using that UID, just log in, just copy that UID and log into your Pocket Option account and click on this social trading. So let me tell you what a UID is. UID is looks something like this. Okay, you just need to copy that UID that will be given to you after following the instructions in that free Telegram channel, and you just need to copy this UID and then come to this social trading and just click on here and then click on search. Now see, you can copy all of these people, but they will make some random trade. They don't make consistent trade of I mean consistent amount of trade. Like here you can see $499 in one trade and $1,000 in another trade. So if he makes profit of $490 and loss of $1,000, then you are going to become in loss. Okay, but his profitable trading percentage will not increase or decrease that much. But if they make loss of big amount and profit from small amount, then that is not good for you. But in my case, I'll only make trade by clicking a consistent amount. So your trade copying percent will be same, like consistent amount you will be copying. Okay, so just click on this social trading and click on here, and you will see this search at here. Just click on that search and then paste that UID which you have got, and you will see this kind of name at here. Now this is not my account, I'm just showing you it as an example. Let me remind you that. And once you see that name, just click on that name and you will see this kind of box appearing. Now you don't need to do anything, just click on this copy. How simple it is, just keep on watching. Okay, just click on copy and you'll see these 4 boxes. Now you don't need to do anything in these 3 boxes. I'll explain to you why. You only need to increase or decrease this copy in proportion. So if you put this 100% at here, then that means you will be copying my $200 per trade. Okay, so basically 1% is equals to $2 per trade. So if you want to copy $2 per trade, then just make it 1%. If you want to copy $10 per trade, then make it 5%, because 5% of $200 is $10. So if you want to copy $20 per trade, just make it 10%. Okay, in this way you can increase or decrease this copy in proportion, and then just click on confirm and you will start to copy my trades automatically into your account. So now I have told you before that you don't need to do anything at here. Just leave these 2 boxes as it is. Now in case of this stop balance, what I have noticed is some people who copies my trade, whenever they put some stop balance at here, then all of my trades are not copied in their account. So stop balance means like stop loss. Okay, so what happens if they use some stop loss here balance, some like $50, $100, then all of my trade doesn't copies in their account and they miss the profit. So instead of that, what I have came up with the idea, like let's say if you want to just risk $100, okay, then just put the balance $100. Okay, don't use any stop balance. If you want to take risk of $1,000, just put that $1,000 in your balance and don't put any stop balance at it, leave it as it is. Okay, just deposit the amount that you want to take risk of and don't deposit more, and you can ignore all of these 3 boxes and just increase or decrease this copy in proportion and click on confirm, and you will easily start to copy my trade. Now this is going to be the easiest strategy to trade binary options, where you don't need to trade by yourself, where you will copy my trades automatically into your account. Also lastly, I'll ask some of my people who are already copying me and getting results to put some comment in the comment section below. You can read those comments and decide whether you should join this copy trading service or not. That's your choice and it is up to you. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.